This is the Samsung J7 Pro here for a screen replacement. So I thought I would take advantage of this video to show you how to place the screen onto this. Now, first things first, you will need to know how to remove the old screen, and just demonstrating with this new screen which I had to test at the store before buying. And that said, what happens is you unglue the sides. That's what it says, J7, but it says with the J7 Pro. And then after applying heat, this flips open to that side. And then the next thing would be to reach out. There is usually a plate underneath holding the screen connector down somewhere there. And this one you have to rip it, because I pick it out by the, and then you can disconnect the connector, and that will allow you reach inside. So we are going to show you how to place this screen down, and we need to first clean the surface that is going to receive the glue, because screen placement is simply about gluing the new screen onto the phone. Of course, that's if you have been careful at removing the alright. So removing the old adhesive, right, like that, and then also around this side, like that. Let's clear this, like that. Okay, and then we're getting to there. Okay, now that said, we need to pick this off, because we are not interested in this, since we are going to glue it straight onto the frame. So remove that, and also this, so that we're dealing with our own affair of work. So that's out. So the next stage is for us to wipe it clean with our cleaning reagent. Okay, this is it. I think I'm running out of it, and the good thing, it is volatile, so it won't stay on that table long, no problem. So let's get that, and okay, alright, then there, okay, like that, alright, and then here, like this. Okay, now having done that, we are going to okay, now that's good. So we bring our adhesive to place on the two surfaces that we need to bond together. Right, adhesive, show yourself. Okay, so now let's put our adhesive onto the frame of the phone to allow us to be able to bond the two together. And so that said, we are going into it. Today decided to come off with the whole thing. That's a bit silly. Okay, so this is being fishy on. Okay, now let's try that again. Looks like there's no redemption for me, is there? Okay, let me look for another adhesive. So I found another. That's the whole advantage of having backups. And now that we are here, we need to wipe any debris that could get in between here and okay, So that's getting out, and so next thing is that we decide to apply adhesive to these places. So bring adhesive there, okay, then move that all the way. I think this one is still fluid, and that's why it flows with ease, which makes work easy. Okay, and then I'm beginning with the places that require much adhesive, because it's also going to play the role of lifting the screen from the frame. So I think should be sufficient enough for that too. And that said, yeah, so okay, so come along the length. Andetede kunsenene. Andetede kunsenene. Okay. There. No problem. Okay, so now that is that, next thing is to apply adhesive on the frame right there, and then let's bring it all the way. So Valinde Kwama is the video. Okay, now bring this right there. Are you able to focus? So bring this right there all the way to here, to the peripheries, right all over to this end, all the way to the other side. Okay, right, bring it to the entire length right there. I don't know what that particle is, but I need to get rid of it. Okay, now using this as a template, also need to see the areas that I need to put a little more on right there. Okay, and then also on this side right there. Okay, then for the bottom, somewhere right there, and then to this side somewhere right there, and then we do somewhere there. Okay, and then somewhere right there. Okay, now that is done. Having done that, so let's give it a minute or two for the adhesive to sort of evaporate ish. Okay, now I think I'll be tempted to put something along the center here or the side here to sort of give more order right there. So let's get done with that. Ah, crap, the mic was far away. Okay, anyway, now I'm back to being audible. I believe so. And now let's start. Alright. Okay, so I believe that time is enough for me to get